Rightio, so today I'm at Powers Lookout Reserve. Looked pretty cool online, so I thought I'd come check it out. This is the first lookout, and I'm about to hike down to the second lookout, which is a 780 meter hike. So pretty keen, let's get into it. Alright, so this is Powers Lookout. Pretty awesome view. It's actually a pretty quick hike. Let's see what it looks like from above. Just shooting a time lapse. Thought I'd chill up here for a bit. What a view. Okay, so Powers Lookout, definitely worth the view. Now I'm just gonna head to Lake William Hobble and try to find a place to camp. Keen. Alright, so I just passed Lake William Hobble and now I'm heading to Sandy Flat Campground, which I think has a river crossing, so I might not be able to get over there. Still don't have a snorkel, but it's coming. See how we go. Okay, so I found a campsite just down from Sandy Flat Campground, and yeah, pretty happy with it. Just gonna set up camp and get cooking. Fuck yeah. Smashed the back bumper again. Luckily this time it didn't fall off. But yeah, that's getting replaced on Monday. Pretty keen. Alright, camp's all set up, fire's going. I might just get some drone shots of here before I start cooking. It's pretty cool. Rightio, first time using this grill, so I'm pretty keen to see how it goes. Let's go. Alright, so the King's barbecue cooker actually works pretty well. Just gonna drink several more Bundaberg rums, then head to bed, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go check out Paradise Falls because it's in the area and I thought fuck it, might as well. So yeah, pretty fucking keen. Alright, now to hit up Paradise Falls. It's fucking cold. Alright, Paradise Falls, let's check it out. Okay, so that's Paradise Falls. Thought it'd be a good way to end the video. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Catch us.